Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm here to show you how to install Google Play Services or Google Play Store on a smartphone with Chinese ROM. If you have any other requests about Chinese smartphones or something related, you can ask me. I will be happy to make a video for you. Just make a comment below and let me know what type of video do you want about smartphones, then I will make a video about that. And once again, please don't forget to subscribe. A lot of people have asked me about this, that how to install Google Play Store or Google Play Services on a smartphone with Chinese ROM. For me, it's really easy, and I think if being a moron I can do it, then anybody can do it. Today I'm going to install Google Play Store and Google Play Services on a Xiaomi 6X. Let me mention that this is a really super easy process on a Xiaomi phone, but it's a little different for Oppo, Vivo and OnePlus. What's the difference? With a Xiaomi phone, you can easily download an app called Google Anzhuangqi, and that app does it all for you. No need to root, no need to do anything else. It's a very easy process. But for Oppo, Vivo and OnePlus, you need to download this app manually on your computer, then save it on your phone, then install this app on your phone, and finally you can install Google Play Store on your phone. For your convenience, I will drop a link below from where you can download this app in the description below. Just download this app and install on your smartphone. It's easy. Let's go and do this together on a Xiaomi 6X. First, open the App Store on your Xiaomi and search Google Anzhuangqi. How to write it? I have written it in Chinese, like the characters. Then you can just copy it from the description below and then just paste it on your phone. In the search result, it's not there. Don't worry. Just scroll down to the last option of the search result and then click on it. There will be a new search result and the first item should be Google Anzhuangqi. Just match this app icon and you will know which one is Google Anzhuangqi. Install it. Open it. Click on the big blue ball. It will start installing and it will install automatically all the necessary Google Play services and Google Play Store. When it's done, just open Google Play Store and you are good to go. Once again, I think this is really an easy process. But if you have any question, you can make a comment below and you can ask me any question regarding this. Sure, I will reply you. Please don't forget to like this video if you have liked it, and if you didn't like it, it's okay. Smash that dislike button.